I hope we're all enjoying our pandemic COVID-19 shelter-in-place times here at home. Being that we're an essential service, we're allowed to continue working, and we get to go out in the sunshine and take care of all of our customers for your heating and cooling needs. Today, we're upgrading this house. We removed the standard small air filter, installed a larger filter rack, MERV 16, to help clean the air before it goes through your ductwork. It's a medical grade filter, same MERV that they use in a lot of hospitals. And then we're adding this platinum photocatalytic oxidizer air cleaner. Removes VOCs, mold, germs, and it adds a second layer of removing some of the particulates that are in the air. This is a really good product. We're putting it on a lot of new customers' homes, and most of us at home here at Dynamic and in our office, we have these devices already built in. Here's the light installed. Call us today and we can give you a little bit more information on that. It's really great, removes a lot of odors. The biggest improvement is that your house smells a lot better, especially if you have pets or any unusual odors in your home.